Okay, so we're looking at this problem. We've got four numbers have a mean of 10, a mode of 7 and a median of 8. What are the four numbers? So we've got to use our knowledge of averages to work this out. So I'm going to draw 4 lines. Okay, there you go. Now then, it says they have a mode of 7. That means there must be 7 and 8 has got to be. Now if I change the colour, so here, okay, we've got to have 8. Alright, so it's in between the second and the third. So therefore, alright, and if the mode is 7, we've got to have 2 7s. So I'm going to put 7 and 7. Now if that's 7, right, that has to be 9. Alright, because in the middle there's got to be 8 to make sure that the median is 8. Now then, we then know that the four numbers, have got to have a mean of 10. So we've got to do 4 times 10 because we work out the mean by adding up the four numbers and dividing by 4. Alright, so we know that the total of the four numbers is 40. So we've just got to do 40, take away the 7, take away 7, take away 9. And we should end up with 17. Let's just check that. 14. So yes, so there you go. That's 40. Now then, on the second question, I'm going to change colour here. I'm going to go to green. Okay, in order to pass the qualification, Jess needs to average 70% after 70% or more in 5 exams. All right. After 4 exams, she averages 68. What must she score in the final exam to pass? So after 5 exams, she's got to get a total of 5 lots of 70 or more. All right, but a minimum of 5 lots of 70. So she needs 350. I'm going to change colour again, might as well. Okay, now after 4 exams, she has a total of 4 lots of 68 marks. Now 4 lots of 68 is 272, and all you've got to do is find the difference. So difference is 350 minus 272, so 350 take away 272 gives me 78. So she needs to get at least 78% in order to pass this qualification. Now, when you get these sorts of problems, remember, and it's usually the mean that comes up. I know I've done over here an example where we're using the mode and the median. You could get the range as well. Remember, the range is the highest minus the lowest. Okay, it's usually the mean. Now, remember, you add up and then divide by how many there are to find the mean, and so that's absolutely crucial. So yeah, there's various different sorts of questions, but essentially that's what it's about.